Your name is Braylon?
How old are you?
2.
You 2? You a big boy? Oh, he's sucking thumb.
Mm-mm.
I'm finna say.
I don't know why he's doing that. He doesn't.
Oh, he got yogurt on. You gonna share?
He loves that Greek yogurt.
That stuff is thick.
And it's really tart. Me too.
You gonna share?
No.
What?
Wait.
Doesn't mommy teach you to share?
No, wait.
Oh, no way. Okay. Now it's on tape. I'm a bad mommy.
You gonna count?
Yeah.
When? 1,
2.
3.
He's like, I am really into this yogurt.
4.
5.
6.
8.
10. 12. 8.
8? Where'd that come from?
That's going on Facebook.
You silly Willy. Blow mommy a kiss. Another one. Good one.
Look, do this. Say.
Love you. Yeah.
Yeah, I got you getting your food.